Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are new to GoodNotes, it might feel a bit overwhelming at first, but once you understand the basics, it becomes one of the most powerful note-taking apps for studying, planning, and organizing your life. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use GoodNotes for beginners in 2026 clearly and efficiently. First thing, create your first notebook. Okay, so open GoodNotes, tap New. Okay. Tap New. After that, notebook. Okay, choose cover style, for example, anything. So paper template like lined, grade, blank, planner. Okay, and after that, when you finish, you tap you tap create. Okay, so this is your main workspace. Okay, the second thing, understand the toolbar. Okay, so at the top of your screen, um you have a pen, you have highlighter, you have eraser, lasso tool, so you can use them all. Okay, start writing notes, for example. Okay, you can also start writing tool or writing notes. So for example, use your finger or stylus, best with Apple Pencil. So write directly on the page. Use the zoom tool for neater writing. Okay. You can also organize your notes. So go back to main screen, create folders. Okay, move notebook info folders. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.